Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book an appointment for US visa from UK. So here we're just going to go to uk.usembassy.gov and just scroll down. And in this I need section, we're just going to click for a US visa. So from here, just scroll down, then select non-immigrant visas. So from here, as you can see, they also have the Visa Navigator that can help you assist with booking an appointment for a US visa. So from here, just fill in all the necessary questions as what can we help you with. So we're just going to select non-immigrant visas, then click on next. So from here, what can we assist you with? So we're just going to select how to apply for a non-immigrant visa, then click on next. So as you can see here, to apply for or if you want to renew a US visa, you're going to need to fill out the DS-160 application form. So this is what the form looks like, and as you can see, you have to select a location where you will be applying for this visa. Just enter the verification code, say this for example. So visa application may also ask you to upload a digital photo of yourself. Just click on this to do a test photo. Then once done, just click on start an application. And as you can see here, you already have your application ID. You can also print your application ID. Check on this agree box. So after filling out the DS-160 application form, you're going to need to register, pay, and schedule an appointment. And from here, you're just going to proceed with your application by clicking on this link. So from here, you're going to need to sign in or create an account first in this website. So once you're logged in, just complete your profile page by filling out the blank fields. Then once done, just head back to Visa Application Home. Then just click on Start Application. So from here, just fill out all the necessary information such as your name, your last name, your country or authority that issued your passport, country of birth, your permanent residence, passport number, and the DS-160 number that is found earlier, your visa class, and date of birth, your primary phone, and also answer the question if you're previously issued a visa to enter the United States. Also the question if you are traveling from another country to apply for a US visa, of course, yes. Then once done, just click on create applicant. And from here, you're just going to pick a schedule for your appointment. So once you're done registering, paying, and scheduling an appointment, all you have to do is wait and attend your scheduled appointment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!